Till the time he was 17, all his energies were channelized towards becoming a wrestler like his idol Yogeshwar Dutt represent India at the international level, and one day go on to win an Olympic medal for the country. But everything changed on that fateful day in 2015. Sumeet Antil, who hails from Khevda village in Haryana's Sonipat district, was learning the tricks of the trade at an akhada in Sonipat. He had finished his day's training, but had to go out for his tuition classes. He took out his bike and told his mother he would come back soon. But tragedy hit, as Sumeet met a road accident. He was hit by a tractor from behind, and his bike skidded off, out of control. The tractor driver ran over Sumeet's left leg. His leg was badly crushed below the knee, and doctors were left with no choice but to amputate the portion below his knee. His wrestling dreams were cut short. After resting for 53 days, he was shifted to Artificial Limb Center in Pune, where he got a prosthetic leg. On Monday, at the National Stadium in Tokyo, before he hurled his first throw, the tragedy from 6 years back came flashing in front of Sumeet's eyes for a fleeting moment or two. Thinking of the struggles he had to endure made Sumeet doubly determined. All that he wanted now was gold, nothing else. Sumeet came into the Tokyo Paralympics as the world record holder in F64 category of men's javelin throw. The F64 category is for athletes with a leg amputation who compete with prosthetics in a standing position. He was also ranked world number 1. His resolve to top the podium was visible from the first attempt itself. Sumeet shattered his old world record, 62.88 m, in the first attempt, throwing 66.95 m. He then beat that mark on his second attempt with a mighty effort of 68.08 m as he led the field from the start. His next two attempts were 65.27 m and 66.71 m. But the Indian saved the best for the fifth, throwing 68.55 m to better his world record for the third time in 6 attempts in the final. Incredibly, all his 5 throws would have bettered the record he had to his name before the Tokyo Paralympics, which was set at the 2019 World Para Athletics Championships in Dubai. Sumeet won the gold in some style. At the podium, when the national anthem was playing, the 23-year-old had a cathartic feeling. The journey after his accident is a story of turning adversity into opportunity. In July 2017, he was introduced to para sports by Rajkumar, a para athlete at his village. Sumeet was dreaming again. As luck would have it, he soon met Virender Dhankar, a para shot putter and silver medalist at the 2018 Para Asian Games. Dhankar got him introduced to Athletics Federation of India's Para-Athletics javelin throw coach Naval Singh, who advised Sumeet to take up the sport. It was a new lease of life for the youngster. With Naval's guidance, Sumeet gave it his all. He used to turn up to practice at 3 a.m. in the morning at times. At first, it was a challenge for him to cope with that much workout, as there was a lot of pain in his stomach, and sometimes his inner part of prosthetic leg, was filled with blood due to excessive heat in it. But Sumeet's hard work bore fruit as he started winning medals at the international level and broke the world record in F64 category in just 2 years' time at the 2019 World Para Athletics Championships in Dubai. Earlier this year in March, Sumeet also competed against Tokyo Olympics gold medalist Neeraj Chopra at the able-bodied Indian Grand Prix Series 3 in Patiala. While Chopra shattered his own national record with a massive effort of 88.07 m, Sumeet had finished 7th with a best throw of 66.43 m.